Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best window felt is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components for maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home, acting as a crucial barrier against drafts, dust, and noise that can seep in through your window frames. This seemingly simple material plays a vital role in sealing gaps, preventing unwanted air infiltration, and ultimately contributing to lower heating and cooling costs, making it a smart investment for any homeowner looking to enhance their living environment and reduce their utility bills. Number 5. TORRAMI Felt Pile Weather Stripping. Crafted from environmentally friendly materials, this brush is thick, soft, and offers low friction. It provides excellent resistance and superior sealing performance without deformation or noise. This seal is windproof, dustproof, and weatherproof, offering protection against collisions. It's also soundproof and energy-saving, with a strong adhesive backing for easy application and customizable sizing. Unlike traditional rolled packaging, our design comes in an envelope to prevent distortion. This ensures the seal remains neat and in perfect condition upon arrival. Perfect for sealing gaps in glass doors, windows, sliding doors, wooden doors, and even cabinets. Its versatility makes it ideal for numerous household applications. We guarantee your satisfaction with this product. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a prompt and effective solution. What we like. This option uses an environmentally friendly material that is thick and soft, ensuring no deformation. If you are looking for a draft stopper that is gentle on surfaces and maintains its shape over time, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who prioritize eco-conscious materials and long-lasting performance in their weather stripping. What people say. The felt is thick and soft, providing excellent insulation against drafts and noise. It adheres well to window frames without leaving residue, making installation and removal a breeze. The self-adhesive backing is strong and reliable, ensuring the felt stays in place even with frequent window use. Number 4. FOSHIO 5M Black Fiber Squeegee Felt. Introducing our high-quality fiber felt, designed for ultimate durability. It's easily customizable to fit any size squeegee, ensuring a perfect application every time. Featuring a strong, high-quality adhesive backing, this felt adheres firmly to your squeegee. This ensures it stays in place, even in challenging areas. Its flexible nature allows it to conform reliably into shallow recessed areas and bumpers. It effectively removes bubbles for a smooth finish. Ideal for auto vinyl wraps, window protectors, and wallpaper, it significantly reduces scratches during application. It's also perfect for use as furniture pads, providing shockproof and non-slip protection. Use it as projector screen border tape to create a high-contrast frame. This makes your colors appear dramatically more vibrant and bright for an enhanced viewing experience. This black fiber felt comes in a generous 500 cm x 4.8 cm size. It offers ample material for various projects, from automotive applications to home use. What we like. This product offers the flexibility to be cut to any size and features a strong adhesive backing, making it incredibly versatile. If you work with vinyl wraps, car decals, or wallpaper and need a tool that conforms to tricky areas while preventing scratches, this is the one for you. Its adaptability makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. What people say. It is a good quality product. It is soft and thick. It is easy to cut and apply, and it sticks well. It is a great value for the money. Number 3. FindTape Polyester 1mm Felt Tape. Discover our durable, single-sided felt adhesive. It's made from tough yet flexible polyester, perfect for repairs, padding, and sealing. Crafted from strong, needle-punched polyester fibers, this tape provides a consistent and long-lasting felt surface for any application. Experience a secure hold with our synthetic rubber-based adhesive backing. It ensures a reliable attachment to virtually any surface. This felt tape is built to last, withstanding temperatures from -30°F to 150°F. It also boasts impressive adhesion strength. From filtration and gaskets to protecting floors and crafts, its multi-purpose nature makes it ideal for both DIY projects and industrial needs. Use it as felt furniture strips to prevent scratches and damage. Its protective qualities extend to various household applications. What we like. Built with durable polyester fibers and a secure adhesive backing, this felt tape offers lasting resistance in a wide temperature range. If you need a reliable solution for repairs, padding, sealing, or sound dampening in both household and industrial settings, this product is an excellent fit. Its robust construction makes it suitable for demanding applications. What people say. The felt is self-adhesive and easy to apply. It effectively seals gaps and prevents drafts. The material is durable and holds up well over time. Number 2. MD Building Products 03350 Felt Weatherseal. Introducing the MD Building Products 03350. This Weatherseal is expertly crafted from high-quality felt, ensuring lasting performance. Effectively insulate your home and reduce unwanted noise. It's designed to create a tight seal for both doors and windows. You'll have plenty to work with, as it measures 17 feet long and 1 to 1/4 inches wide. This generous sizing makes it suitable for various applications. The sleek gray color blends seamlessly with most door and window frames. It provides a clean and unobtrusive look once installed. Need a specific size? No problem. You can easily cut it to your desired length using simple scissors. This makes installation a breeze. What we like. This is a straightforward felt Weatherseal designed to insulate and soundproof. If you're looking for a no-fuss solution to seal gaps in doors and windows and can easily cut it to size with scissors, this is a practical option. It's ideal for basic weatherproofing needs where simplicity and effectiveness are key. What people say. It is a good product. The product is very good. I am very happy with the product. Number 1. Ford Truck Window Sweep Felts 4PC Kit. Keep your Ford truck's interior protected from the elements. This kit provides a direct fit for your vehicle's needs. Ensure a perfect fit with these OE replacement door window belt weather strips. They are designed specifically for your truck. We've made it easy to confirm compatibility. Please check the listing for specific fitment information to ensure it's right for your vehicle. These weather strips offer excellent protection against wind, rain, and dust. They are built to last and maintain your truck's interior. This set includes all 4 pieces you need for a complete replacement. Get your truck sealed up and looking great again. For your convenience, you can reference part numbers 1AWSS00183 and WSS00971. These confirm the quality and compatibility of the product. What we like. This is a direct fit, OE replacement weather strip set specifically designed for certain Ford trucks. If you own a compatible Ford truck and need to replace your inner and outer window sweep felts, this is the perfect, vehicle-specific solution. It ensures a precise fit and restores your truck's original sealing capabilities. What people say. The felt is thick and soft, providing excellent insulation against drafts. It adheres well to the window frame and doesn't leave any residue when removed. The self-adhesive backing makes installation a breeze, no tools required. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.